Buddhism, Primary 3, First Midterm, Chapter 7, page number 11. Develop good qualities in you. Lesson objectives. Children will learn good qualities they should develop in their self. Good qualities: how to dress themselves when they are going to the temple, to learn about how to behave in the temple, to learn about how to respect monks, to get to know about how to keep the temple premises clean. How do we dress when we are going to the temple? First, we have to wash ourselves. Then, we have to dress up in white. Girls can wear lama sari. Boys can wear national dress. Before you get ready to visit a temple, there are some facts that you should do or not to do. You have dress code, that is you have to dress up in white. Before going to the temple, it is a tradition taking offerings to God or offering offerings to God. You can also take flowers, coconut oil, joss sticks and many other things. How to behave in the temple. Remove shoes and caps before entering the temple. In the temple, be calm and orderly. No room for fun and laughter. Show respect when entering temple and places of worship by removing your hat and sunglasses before you go inside. And also you can switch your phone to the silent or better yet turn it off completely. And in the temple, be calm and orderly. And also you should not make loud noise. No room for fun and laughter. In the temple, you should worship by joining both hands. How to respect monks. When you meet the Sangha, get up from your seat. Respect them by saluting them. Those seats allocated for the clergy in public transport, do not use them. When you meet the Sangha, get up from your seat and respect them by saluting them. Secondly, if a monk is sitting, show respect by sitting before starting conversation and avoid sitting higher than a monk. And never point your feet at any Buddhist while sitting. And also you should only use your right hand when giving or receiving something from a monk. How to keep the temple premises clean. Sweep the temple well. Throw away the faded flowers. We can collect ball leaves that have fallen down. Maintain cleanliness on temple premises. We are duty bound to maintain cleanliness of the religious places because a religious place is visited and maintained by the people who are the devotees to that place. On our part, we should dispose the waste thing in the dustbin and keep the premises clean. and also it is a meritorious deed. If you want to develop good qualities in you, you should follow these good habits. When you follow these good qualities, you can collect a lot of merits. So, dress up in white clothes, remove shoes and caps before entering the temple to worship the Buddha. In the temple, be calm and orderly. No room for fun and laughter. When you meet the Sangha, get up from your seat. Respect them by saluting them. Respect the clergy of all religions. It is your duty. This should be remembered by all. Those seats allocated for the clergy in public transport, do not use them. That is a better way. Always try to keep the temple premises clean. Sweep the place well. With your hands collected up on the forehead, worship the Buddha, thinking of his greatness. Our parents and teachers advise us about good qualities. Follow their advice. Let us live as good children. Thank you.